Hi, we are
Chilong,
Nirod.
Samnang,
We are the creator of Clicky. Clicky is the web-based photo booth experience that allows you guys to take the photo strip on your mobile phone and laptop. Clicky lets you choose a layout, add filter and theme frame, decorate your picture, and share the result with a QR code. The idea of creating Clicky is come along as we are looking for some fun programming project to explore and experiment what we have learned in the class. So we come up with the idea of creating photo booth project and make it more accessible for everybody can create the fun moment, fun memory without go to the physical photo booth and not paying every session.
To build Clicky, we focus on three things. The first one is security, reliability, and compatibility. So based on our requirements, we decided to use Next.js for our front end to build web application that support to variety of device. And we use a fast API for the backend framework. So it is a high performance framework that we can use to build the AI pipeline for our future phase. And we also have a cloud storage as well. Our cloud storage, we use the Cloudflare R2 that is to store and share the photo with the user securely.
We're quite happy with the result it turned out to be, though we still want to keep improving it by adding more features. So in the next version of our website, you can expect cool features like prompt to generate your own frame, AI background removal, for example. We can't wait for you to test it out. So if you want to test our website, you can go to our official website by this link. So with Clicky, click and create your memories.